Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase wallet to your Trust wallet. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, and then from this home screen you have to select the cryptocurrency that you're going to transfer. So I will just select the BNB from here. Then on the screen you have to click on this send button, and after that you just have to enter the amount how much you're going to transfer, and then click on next. And on this screen you have to paste the wallet address from your Trust wallet. So open up your Trust wallet and then click on receive, and from this list of cryptocurrencies select the cryptocurrency that are going to receive. So we are going to receive BNB, so I will just tap on it, and then you will be able to get your BNB wallet address. Click on this copy button and then go back to your Coinbase wallet and paste the wallet address in this area, and then you will see this option, this little icon, and your wallet address. You need to tap on it, and then just simply you need to confirm this transfer. Make sure your amount and the wallet address is correct, and then click on confirm. And once you do that, your selected cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Coinbase to your Trust wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.